Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm going to air fry some naked wings in my new EdenPeer air fryer. I've already washed these wings. I washed them and cut the tips off yesterday morning, and then I got a call asking if me and Dad wanted to go to, what's that steak place? Whatever steak place we went to yesterday for Father's Day. Spur of the moment. So they've already been washed. I didn't season them. Smell fresh. So I'm going to finish blotting the water that's in the bottom of this bowl. Well, I didn't cut the tips off. Okay. That's what I'm doing, blotting. So I'm not going to cut the tips off. It's only about 8 wings. So my air fryer basket is so large, it'll fit about 20 or 30. Let me show you. This is the EdenPeer. It's big like the Typhoid Dome, but much, much cheaper. A couple $100 cheaper. So I'm not going to need to use any olive oil or anything, since they're going to be naked wings, but they will be highly seasoned, and by that I don't mean extra salty. Everything, none of these items I have to put on them have salt in them, except this, my Knorr bouillon powder. Okay? So I'm going to lower this so y'all can see me season these wings. Pushing it down. Okay, here are the wings. Use pepper. Of course, I'm going to use mustard, yellow mustard. I don't know if it's salt in here or not. It is some salt in it. It's the third to the last ingredient. I'm using smoked paprika, Italian seasoning blend, ground white pepper, granulated onion, granulated garlic, and sesame. No salt in any of these, but it is salt in here. So I'm going to season up these wings, starting with the mustard. Sesame. Let me tell you what's in the sesame. Garlic, cumin, coriander, annatto, and paprika, no MSG, and no salt. Granulated garlic, it's just garlic in here. Ground white pepper. Granulated onion. Italian seasoning blend. Let me tell you what's in here. Where is it at? Oregano, rosemary, basil, sage, thyme, parsley, marjoram, and soybean oil. Okay. This is pure flavor, y'all. smoked paprika. Tastes better than the just regular paprika, in my opinion. Regular paprika doesn't have a flavor to it, to me. Pepper. It's coming out. So these are going to be highly seasoned wings. And this is what has the salt in it. This is how much I've used so far. Over 2/3 of it. Here's my little spoon. Use a half a tablespoon. Half a tablespoon. That's all the salt I'm using. Put my glove on. Put the rubber band on my wrist to hold the glove on, as it'll come off. Just how it looks. Trying to evenly distribute the seasonings and the mustard. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and finish smushing this. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm through smushing the seasonings. I didn't preheat the air fryer. Let's see what I'm doing. Naked wings. Three, 6, 7, 8. 8 wings. These are big wings. Usually the smaller wings taste better to me. These are big wings. Okay. I'm not going to spray them because chicken skin has a lot of oil in it, and if you don't put breading on it, then they don't need to be, you don't need to spray them with oil. This is how they look going in. Pull this out from the wall. Make sure they're sitting on the cord. Turn it on. It does have a chicken wing setting, so that's what I'm putting it on. Let me see. Menu. 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 You keep pressing menu until what you want to cook flashes. So wings is flashing, so I'm going to turn it on. And it's set for 390 degrees for 24, well, it was 25 minutes. So, and initially this lights up. It'll go off and then it'll light back up every few seconds. Okay, I'm gonna go get the rest of my dinner together and I will be back. Okay, that's the rest of the dinner. Got some sweet corn. And by that I mean I season it and then I put sugar in it and butter. And here's some seasoned, what is this, collard greens. Let me show you what I use, because I ain't picking no greens. This is good. It's the turkey flavored collard greens. Try it, you'll like it. Believe me. Believe me, if you're a bona fide green eater and you don't feel like picking no greens, get this. You will like it. You will like it, y'all. And I put some of my seasoned chicken breading in the corn, with some pepper and some butter and some sugar. So this is sticky sweet corn. It's good. And the greens are very good. Let me check on the chicken. It's hard to pull this open with one hand. Just a minute. That's the way my chicken is looking. I haven't turned it over, but I did rearrange the pieces because it seems to cook hotter in the center, so I rearranged some pieces. Let me see how the other side looks. Okay, I'm going to flip them. Didn't use any oil. Now that's flipped. That's the way Walter likes them the best. Seasoned and naked. So, what's that? Okay, let them finish cooking. Let me see if I can handle this with one hand. Nope, it's too heavy. It's big. Okay, now the wing tips, they might burn because they're real close to the heating element. But we'll see. Okay. How the wings look, and I didn't put any oil. You see how it made its own oil because they weren't breaded. Okay, I'm gonna dish up my plate and I'll be back. Maybe y'all can see me. Which one I want? Some hot sauce. Get 3 wings. Put my plate over here. Okay, here's my plate. Let me do a thumbnail. Here's my plate. Okay, I'm going to taste my dinner. Time is 6. 6:30 p.m. Guess what I just did to my chicken? I used my chicken shears, my kitchen shears, and cut this piece. Starting with the greens. Would nobody be mad that these are canned greens? Sweet sticky corn. Flat piece of the wing. Well seasoned. This is slightly crispy. Sometimes it gets real crispy. I don't need no hot sauce on it. So, about to get my eat on. Walter's in the back watching his new TV he got for Father's Day. So I'm gonna tell him dinner is ready. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all, let me know if you've ever had any canned glory greens. And if you have, what kind? I've had them all. They had the mixed greens, they had the turnip greens. But since I've tried the collard greens with the turkey. That's my favorite now. Walter's too. Like I said, I ain't picking no greens. I'll tell you why one day. Okay. Thanks for watching again, and y'all know what to do. Y'all be blessed. Bye.